Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix 007 first flight game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, not launching, not opening, lagging, freezing, black screen or several other issues on PS5. So let's jump to the solutions. Well, the very first thing what you need to do is to restart a PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix by restarting the PS5. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches that is leading to such problem. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button, then select restart PS5. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to check storage space on console. For that, first go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Now check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. After that, go to PS5 settings, tap on save data and game or app settings. Now select save data PS5 and select console storage and then tap on delete option. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button at safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Once you have done this, launch the game and check. Next is to restore licenses. For that, first open settings on your PS5, click on users and accounts, move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select 007 first light game and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next method is to check for game updates. So you should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. The developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues and improve performance. So make sure you check if there is an update available, and after updating the game, launch the game and check. Next is to install software updates on PS5. So for that, you have to first open settings in your PS5. After that, select system. Now go to system software, click on system software update and settings. Next, select update system software. Finally, choose update using internet option. Next is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, tap on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into PS5 account and then check for the error. Next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, click on network, click on settings, click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. Next is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, go to system. Here select language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next is to reset your console settings. For that, launch settings on PS5 and move to system. Now choose reset options under system software. Here choose reset default settings. At last, choose restore option. Next is to reinstall 007 first light game. For that, highlight the game on your PS5 and press options on the controller. Then select delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install 007 first light game again to check for the error. Next is to contact support. So if the issue still continues and nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. They will better suggest you the solutions and you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.